Okay, let's be honest, this video was pretty requested, but I always ignored it till I realized that it would be indeed very exciting to show you how I put my outfits together. And if you're new here, by the way, hey, my name is Chenga, I'm a personal stylist based in Milan, and this channel is more or less about that and about you finding your own personal style. It's not that you wake up one day and you have like an incredible styling, I don't know what. Like, I learned it. I learned a big part of it. I remember being a kid and I just thought, like, how do adults, like fashion people, put those incredible outfits together? How does it even come to their mind? How do you make a simple basic outfit flamboyant and outstanding and just basically stylish? This video is going to be divided in two parts. The first one is going to be an outfit that is very basic, very boring, and we want to style it up and make it more exciting. And the other one is going to be a statement piece, something very special that we want to style around. But before we get into this video, I just wanted to give a huge thank you to my new 6 subscribers. You guys are the best, and a special thanks to those who subscribe publicly so that I can have your initial on your dedicated heart, and you guys know where you go. You're going to the jar. For a second I got scared that I wasn't even filming. Oh my god, so that would be crazy. So I'm wearing a very basic shirt. It is white and wearing blue jeans. Can you actually hear me and see me? Maybe I should change the lights. Okay. Okay, now I think you can finally see me. So let's get a normal shirt, normal blue pair of skinny jeans. These ones are actually high-waisted. If you ask me, I do not really recommend low-waisted jeans because it doesn't really look good on anybody. High-waisted jeans is just so feminine, so try to stick with that. Okay, so the first thing I usually do is just choosing the shoes. And in this case, since this is a very simple outfit, I thought that I was gonna go with something very statement that is the center of my outfit, matching them with something very interesting. So I chose the mesh socks with it, and I would generally say that you really have to concentrate on creating an equilibrium, a balance in your outfit. So anyway, I would generally say if you are showing off too much skin, just go for flat shoes, and when you're just covered or wearing something not so feminine like an oversized coat or an oversized dress that is like not the bodycon, I would go with heels. So in that case, again, you have that kind of balance in your outfit. In my personal opinion, it's totally fine if you wear it differently. Okay, so these are the heels on. Just careful for the details. As per following, I have the +1 rule that I always say to my clients is just wearing something that is not necessary in your outfit. And in this case, we're also talking about layering. That is just basically wearing one thing over the other one. And in this outfit, I was thinking about 2 options. I'm going to show you this color that is pretty popular recently. It wouldn't be necessary to have it, but it gives it like a very cute touch. Or alternatively, we have our harness that you guys have seen pretty much on my Instagram because I love wearing it. I think it's so cheeky and so cool and so unnecessary in an outfit, but it just gives that missing touch in it. This is how it looks like. Actually, it's a black harness because I feel like it goes very well with the shoes. It's the same fabric and it's the same color, so it gives like, again, like harmony in the outfit. Also, it highlights the waist, so in this case I don't have to tuck in my shirt, but I just keep it out. I try to put attention on my waist so that I can get like a feminine vibe. This is how it looks like now. Okay, the next thing we are going to do is a hairstyle, and I'm always trying to push this thing. I always love wearing hats or just have a hairstyle because that just gives you a well organized and clean look. So let's get our hair done and then we will see what's the next step. What is happening there? Bloop 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 bloop. Do it like a brother, do it like a dude. The end was pretty good. Decent enough, I would say. Maki! So the next thing that we are going to do is wearing accessories. As you can see, I'm already wearing earrings. I'm going to wear this Betsy Johnson bracelet as well that I just thrifted on Vinted recently. It is so beautiful and it looks very good with the black again, so it comes back even on my wrist. And then I'm going to wear a B-nook necklace over my blouse. I think it gives a very, very cute vibe to it. It is just like under the collar, so it looks cute and, you know, not exaggerated, because the attention goes on the harness, so I just don't want to exaggerate with like a statement necklace. As per following, let's pick the bag and the jacket. Usually I'm going on my mood, so this outfit would look good even with a kind of oversized jacket or just like a simple leather jacket. I really have to decide now. Obviously the harness goes to be covered, so it's just nice if you go out and you take it off and there is still something. You see, I think it just gives a frame to my outfit. And to mix it up a little bit and give it like a movement, I was thinking about something that goes very well with my shoes. So I would go either with some kind of leather bag or just like something red. And this is how my Chopard bag comes to the picture, because it has the pattern, so it makes the whole outfit more interesting. This is going to be the only pattern in my outfit, so it's just not too much. And it has the leather fringe, so I just really like it. And in my opinion, it in style goes very well with the whole outfit. And are gonna be my favorite sunglasses I bought in Italy. I don't remember the brand, but this is just so cute and it is just for my face shape, so it looks pretty dope. And ta-da! We have a dope outfit. So the second outfit that we are going to create is going to be based on this skirt. So this is how it looks like. It is so beautiful. I love how shiny it is. Woo, woo, woo. The only thing is that I have very wide, not very wide, but pretty wide calves. So I will have to figure it out, because this is the type of skirt that does not look good on me, okay? So we'll see what to do with it. I was thinking about styling it in a grunge, and I also very pretty much like the band that I'm going to wear today. And in this case, I'm going for the yellow, because it's going to be pretty much in harmony with the skirt. I usually try to, you know, pull out a little bit of a shirt so it doesn't look so, you know, like tucked in. And the next thing that we are going to do is going for the shoe. I'm creating like a spring outfit. Obviously you could wear like tights or stockings. I'm just basically too lazy to do that, and I would definitely break my tights, so I'm just not gonna do that. Imagine it on me, and let's go for the shoes. There are definitely so many people who are not in love with that matchy thing. I kind of like it, so I'm going to match the outfit with a red pair of heels. I love this kind of chunky heels because, believe me or not, oh, you can see my doggy poo-poo there. So because they are pretty comfortable, believe me or not, it is not that high heel if you cut down the platform area, so it just looks flamboyant and flattering, and you are not gonna break your ankle and feet walking in it like after 2 hours. It goes very well with my t-shirt, and also I think it goes very well with the yellow color of the skirt. The next thing that I'm gonna do is add something that I don't need on, and yes, this is where harnesses come to my life, like literally such an easy way to style up an outfit. But you can even wear like a scarf or just a headband or anything that you feel like that is in your style. The harness is also very good to highlight again your upper body shape, and, you know, just give it a kind of like, you know, underground grunge but still feminine touch. The next thing that we are going to do is add something on my head. I believe that hats look so amazing and they are such great accessories. I have these two in my mind just to keep, you know, like the dark vibe of the outfit. This one has star-shaped rivets on it. However, I really do like this one that has some kind of color in it that goes very well with my outfit. This is the French girl outfit, and this is the train driver outfit. I chose to be the French girl today because I believe the other one was just too much movement with the skirts, stripes, with the titles here. It was just too much. And the next one is going to be a jacket. The jacket I chose to wear today is something that is very, very attentive on the waistline. You can see how baggy it is on the up and how it closes on my waist. And I also feel like it puts down the attention of the elastic of the skirt that wasn't really nice, to be honest. And to complete the outfit, I chose this bag that is a 2-in-1, so I can wear it as a backpack and also as a handbag. So let's see the whole outfit together. So guys, thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Oh yeah, if you're already here, just check out this video as well. It's pretty interesting. Ciao!